Hello guys, welcome once more to CryptoZilla YouTube channel. On this video, I want to show you a very quick way you can carry out cross-exchange arbitrage using Binance Exchange platform and KUCOIN exchange platform. Now, this can be done on other exchanges as well. So far, you spot an opportunity. Remember, arbitrage is just the purchase of a particular asset, cryptocurrency, or whatever product you want to buy from a particular market to sell in a different market, taking advantage of the price differences. Now, on crypto, we do crypto arbitrage as well on these exchanges. Now, for today, on this video, I will be using KUCOIN and Binance. But the question is, how will you spot these opportunities? Now, there are a lot of arbitrage opportunities every day, but it's always very hard to research. So there are tools or there are platforms that gives out these informations out to people that this is actually that there's a particular arbitrage opportunity on this asset or on this pair in this platform or in the other platform. So that is what I'll be talking about in this video. So if you watch to the very end of this video, I'll tell you how to get these arbitrage opportunities, how to find them on these exchanges, take advantage of the price differences and make your profit. Now, in addition to that, remember in arbitrage, you don't just do arbitrage with $50, $100. To have a reasonable amount of profits, you need from $500 and above to do arbitrage, because most of these profits will be ranging between 1% to 2% to 3 or 4 or 5% at most. If you see anything above 5%, please run away. It's a scam. Or you hardly have 5% of it, because these exchanges quickly readjust once they find out, or once it's automated systems, so they easily readjust. Sometimes while doing arbitrage, you even get caught up along the in the process of transferring and the rest, you make losses. But some of these tools we use, some of the tools I use personally, gives me enough time to actually transfer, make profit before there's any adjustment. Now, there's a particular opportunity I spotted that has been on for the past 4 hours. So I felt I should show it out to you guys and as well show you how this works to see that it actually works out. Now, I will also, like I mentioned, show you a tool or tell you how you can get these opportunities. Now, in this video, I'll be showing you 2 different coins, COTI USDT and SXP USDT pairs. So let's go right into it. Remember, we'll be making use of KUCOIN and Binance exchanges. Let's go to KUCOIN. We'll be buying from KUCOIN and selling on Binance. Now, in cross-exchange arbitrage, we are buying in one exchange to sell in another exchange. Unlike in triangular arbitrage, where you buy from a particular exchange and sell in that same exchange, how you are buying a particular asset, sell to a different pair, sell back to another pair to get your profit. But this is cross-exchange, so while doing the arbitrage, you should take into consideration the transfer charges and as well what the time it takes to get transferred to the next exchange to make your profit before the opportunity goes off. These are the factors you need to consider while doing this. Now remember, this is for educational purposes. It's no way in a financial advice. So you do your own research. You check out if it works out before you jump right into it. So let me show you this opportunity on this platform. Like I mentioned, COTI USDT. Let's key in 500 USDT here and see what we'd get. Now look here, we're having a 5,766.6. So I'm going to copy that because I'm just demonstrating to you guys how this works. So this is 5,000 COTI. Let me copy that. So we are moving over to Binance to see if this is true. Now, while doing yours as well, you always try to find out if it works before you jump in. So COTI USDT. So let's go to sell, key in that amount here and see what you get. This is 5,000. I think copy it well. Okay, you'll be getting 521 USDT. That is 21 USDT as profit immediately. So if you transfer the equity from KUCOIN down to Binance, the most you can pay for transfer charges or fee is $2 to $3 or $4 at most. So you make a profit of, let's say, $15. That is enough. If you do this 3, 4, 5, 6 times before the opportunity goes off, you've made almost $100. Easy, just as easy as that. Now, if you get up to $1,000, or if you have up to $1,000 or 1,000 USDT, you just key in 1,000 here. Let's copy this. Let's copy and move over to Binance. Let's key in 1,000 currency here. So you'll be having 1,042 USDT. That is what you get. Then you pay $5 at most for transfer charges. You'll be left with 1,037 USDT. That is $37 profit instantly. That is huge. But the question is, how can you spot these opportunities? How can you spot these price differences in different pairs? Because there are over 10,000 to 20,000 cryptocurrencies on these exchanges. How will you find out which one will work out? Now, this is where the tool I'm using comes in, which I will still tell you how you can get access to these coins or these cryptos. You can take advantage of the prices on these exchanges. So let's look at another pair and see if it will work out. Now, the next coin we are going to look at is SXP. Now, let's go back to KUCOIN and see if we can find that on KUCOIN as well. SXP. Now, this is the price of SXP. This is the price, 0.5799. So let's look at it on Binance and see. Let's look at it on Binance. SXP. Now, this is the price. Now, this is the price, 0.5938. I think there is a little difference in the prices. Over there is 0.57. Here is 0.59. So there's huge price difference there. So let's go to KUCOIN and see what we stand to get if we key in $500 there. Let's copy this again. Let's copy. If you notice, I'm not copying everything because I'm taking into consideration the charges as well. So the trade charges and all that. Now let's go back to Binance and key in. We are selling. We'll key in here. We are having $511. Now, if you use $100 to do that, so you'll be having, let's say, $2 or so, or 2 point something dollars. Okay, let's go back and use $100 and see. Should, in case you don't have up to $500, you want to go in $100, but you should know so well that the transfer charges will take off the profit. But let's try and see what we stand to get. We are buying with $100 here, so let's sell the what we got at $100. So you're having $102. Now, if you transfer this to, if you are transferring that quantity from KUCOIN to Binance to sell, the $2 will go off. So you might end up not getting any profit, or even end up losing some part of the $100. So that is why it's advisable to go into arbitrage with huge amount of money, so to cover the charges and as well live in profit as well. Now let's look at trading that with $1,000 and see what we stand to get. Let's copy and move over to Binance. Oh, we are okay. Pasting at the wrong place. These are paste here. You're having $1,028. This is lower than the other one. The other one on Cosi we are having $1,040. So you see, I've shown you two opportunities here. This is how they always appear on daily on the tool I'm using. So you have up to 2 to 3 opportunities every day, even though the prices, or sorry, the percentages might differ. Sometimes you see 1%, sometimes you see 2 or 3% on these coins, but you should be sure that on a day you have 1 or 2 opportunities to take advantage of. But one thing I don't know, and which anyone cannot tell you that he or she knows, is how long the opportunities last. Because like I said, these exchanges, a lot of people are into it. The market is so saturated, so the exchanges easily adjust to meet up with what other exchanges are having. So along the line, you might even get caught up. But the tool I'm using will also tell you that will predict amount of time you need to actually do this. It might tell you 2 minutes, 3 minutes, or 10 minutes at most before there will be any possible adjustment. So if you're in need of this tool, if you want these signals, you can drop a comment on the comment section, drop your number there, or you check the description of this video. There you'll find my number. You chat me up on WhatsApp. I'll add you up to a group where I drop these signals to people to take advantage of. Also check my video. I do scam reviews sometimes. There are platforms I've come across I do scam reviews on. If I see a platform, I try it out and I end up losing money. Sometimes I get tempted to go in, I lose money, I do a scam review on that, and I post it on this channel for people to be aware of it so they don't run into losses. So I'll see you at the other side when you come over to WhatsApp. So we'll get started. Thank you.